Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I'm Divya, your math facilitator, and I'm here after a long time. So I'm so sorry for not having continuous classes on the channel, but let's have a fresh start and let's begin from now. Okay, so today we are going to discuss class 10 progressions to marker questions. So as I have already promised you in the month of March, I said I will cover all the previous year questions of every chapter. So as a part of that, we are going to cover all the previous year questions. Okay, so I have collected all the previous year questions and we are going to start it from today. So every chapter we are going to cover, but progressions is a chapter which you asked me long back. So I have taken that first. Okay. So if you are seeing all the previous year questions, then definitely, so you can expect that your score will improve. Okay. So let's begin the session. The very first question here on your screen. If 7 times the seventh term, okay, of an arithmetic progression is equal to 11 times of 11th term of it. So 7 times 7th term is equal to 11 times 11th term. So this is the equation which we need to write. Very simple. Did you understand, people? Just the 7 times 7th term should be equal to 11 times the 11th term. Okay. So you need to find 18th term. What is the meaning of 18th term? A18 is nothing but A plus 18 minus 1 into d, which is nothing but a plus 17d. This value I need. Okay, so let's see how we can get it. So always first read the question, write the condition given to you. The condition here is 7 times 7th term equal to 11 times 11th term. So 7 times 7th term means a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 11 times 11th term means a plus 11 minus 1 into d. How did I write this formula? Because I know an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula which we know. So that is, now just try to simplify it. So a plus 7 minus 1 is 6d is equal to 11 times a plus 11 minus 1 means 10d. So now cross multiply. So 7a plus 7 6 is 42d is equals to 11a plus 110d. Take all terms to one side. Okay, so what will you have if you take all terms to one side? So 11a minus 7a plus 110d minus 42d equals to 0. Okay, so 11a minus 7a is 4a plus 110d 42d. So if I subtract, how much am I getting? 78d equals to 0. So if I take 4 common, I'll have a plus, how much is this? If I take 4 common, 78 divided by 4 is nothing but 7, 4 ones are 4, and how much are we getting here? This is 68, no? 110 minus 42 is 68, isn't it? Yes. So 68. So 68 if I divide by 4, how much will I get? I'll get 17. D equals to 0. Take 4 to the other side. So you'll have a plus 17d equal to 0 divided by 4 is again 0. Now this is the value I needed, isn't it? A plus 17d only I needed. So a plus 17d is 0. A plus 17d is nothing but 18th term. So 18th term is 0. Understood, people? So this is given in 2015. It's a previous year question. Okay. So let's proceed with the next one. Measures of sides of triangle are in arithmetic progression. Its perimeter is 30. The difference between the longest and shortest side is 4. Find the measures of the sides. So in a triangle, you have to find the measure of all the 3 sides. They gave you the sides are in arithmetic progression. So always remember, whenever the sides are in progression, or whenever here sides means 3 terms. Okay, so how many sides you have? 3 sides. So whenever terms are in progression, there's a standard which you can take. Okay, how can you take the sides which are in progression? You can take it as a minus d, a plus d. Okay, whenever 3 terms are in progression, okay, here 3 sides are in progression. So whenever any 3 things are in progression, you can take it as a minus d, a plus d. You can subtract and see the common difference will be same for all the 3. Okay, so why do we take like this? When you take like this, what happens is d will get cancelled. Okay, instead of taking the terms as a1, a2, a3 or a plus d, a plus 2d, here nothing will get cancelled when you add. But here when you take it like this, it will satisfy the condition of AP, and also you will get the answer easily. Okay, so always remember, when 3 terms are in AP, remember, when 3 terms are in AP, you take the 3 terms as a minus d, a plus d. Now what is given as the second condition? Perimeter is 30. What is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but sum of all sides. So a minus d plus a plus a plus d. Sum of all these sides is 30. So plus d minus d cancel. Now did you understand why did we take like this? Say d is getting cancelled. So a plus a plus a is 3a is 30, or a equal to 30 divided by 3 is 10. Okay, I got a value. Now the difference between longest and shortest side. Obviously, if you see here, this will be the longest and this will be the shortest. So the difference between the longest and shortest, difference means subtraction. Subtraction of whom? The longest side minus the shortest side is 4. Okay, now you simplify this. So a plus d minus a plus d is 4. Plus a minus a cancel here. So 2d, d plus d is 2d is 4, or d equal to 2. So I got a value, I got d value also. Now you need to find the measure of all the sides. So what are the sides? Sides are a minus d, a plus d. A minus d means a is 10 minus d is 2. So it is 8. A is 10 and the other one will be 10 plus 2, which is 12. So the sides are 8, 10 and 12. Got it, people? So always remember, whenever the sides are in AP, you will take the sides as a minus d, a and a plus d. Clear? Next question. Explain the terms in the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This was a direct 2-marker question. So simply they are asking you to explain the terms. So Sn we will start with here. So Sn is nothing but sum of first n terms. N is nothing but number of terms. A is the first term. I want all of you to write this, note it down. D is common difference. Simple. Writing this will give you 2 marks. Next question. Find the sum of first 10 terms of an AP. You need to find the sum of the first 10 terms of an AP. AP, see what is the AP given? And so on. This is the AP. So from the AP, can I find the first term? Common difference, see. Common difference is nothing but 15 minus 3 is 12. Okay. So now I need to find sum of first 10 terms. S10 I want. Okay. I know Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S10 is nothing but 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. D is 12. So 10 by 2 is 5. 2 3s are 6 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 12. So 5 into 6 plus how much is this? So see the final answer, S10 is equals to 5 into, so this is 114, 108 plus 6. So again 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7, so 570 is the answer. Direct substitution in the formula, you should just know sum of n terms formula. Okay, see the next one, find the value of k so that k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are consecutive terms of AP. Children, when these are consecutive terms, consecutive means next terms. Okay, so when they are in AP, you know that common difference is same. So how do you find common difference? See here. 15 minus 3 will give me common difference. Also 27 minus 15 also will give me the same common difference, isn't it? Similarly here also 4k minus 6 minus this or 3k minus 2 minus this should give me the same common difference, isn't it? So if I take this as A1, A2, A3, so A2 minus A1 will be equal to A3 minus A2. Okay, A2 is 4k minus 6 minus k plus 2 will be equal to 3k minus 2 minus A2 means, okay, so just open the brackets. So 4k minus k is 3k, minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 equals to 4k minus 3k minus 4k is minus k and minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. Now take all k terms to one side. So 3k minus k is 4k is equals to 4 plus 8 is 12. So k is 12 divided by 4, 3. Okay, so whenever 3 consecutive terms are given, you can simply take the common difference. Clear everyone? See the next one. Find the seventh term from the end of the, this is arithmetic. Okay, find the seventh term from the end of the arithmetic progression. What is the progression given? 7, 10, 13, so on till 184. Now I need to find seventh term from the end. Okay, so how can I find this seventh term from the end? From here I want a seventh term. So what I'll do is I'll reverse the AP. Okay, so I have 7, 13, 7, 10, 13, so on 184. I will reverse it. I will make it ulta. So the reverse AP will be 184, so on 13, 10, 7. Just to reverse it. Okay, so seventh term from 184 I want seventh term from the end. So here also from the end means when I reverse it will be from the start seventh term I need. Yes, I actually need from the end seventh term, but when I reverse the AP, so end will become start. So from the start seventh term I need here in this reverse AP. Okay, in original AP, if you need, in original AP, if you are taking the seventh term from the end, in reverse AP, it will be seventh term from the start. Understood? So now see. So we already know how to find the seventh term from the start. Okay, so the first term here it is C 184. Common difference, how will I get? Always remember children, common difference will be the difference between any two terms is, you can get the common difference. Okay, you can take the difference between any two terms. Okay, so I'm just taking difference between these two. Okay, the next term minus the previous term. So 10 minus 13 will give me minus 3. So this is the common difference. I need to find which term? Seventh term now. Seventh term from the end. But here when I reversed it is seventh term is here only from the start. Okay, so reverse AP. In reverse AP I need to find seventh term. Okay, so A7 is nothing but A plus 60. So A is 184 plus 6 into D is minus 3. So it is 184 minus 18. So what is the answer? 184 minus 18 will give me Is it 166? Yes. So seventh term from the end is 166. Clear? Next question. In a Rangoli design of 13 rows, every row increases its previous row by 2 dots. And the first row contains 5 dots. Okay, so in a design, in every row, 2 dots are extra. Okay, so 2 dots are extra like this. And in first row, how many dots are there? 5 dots are there. Understood? Okay, so first row 5 dots are there. Next row 2 dots are extra, which means 5 plus 2, 7 dots will be there. Next row again 2 dots extra. So 7 plus 2, 9 dots you'll have, so on. Okay, and how many rows you have? 13 rows. So n is 13. You need to find how many total dots are there in the design, which means S13 I need to find. How will I get? It is nothing but, we know Sn formula, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so see here. So it is n by 2, 13 by 2 into 2, a is 5, first term, plus n minus 1 means 13 minus 1 into d. D is how much? 7 minus 5, 2. So 13 by 2 into 5 2s are 10 plus this is 12 2s are 24. So 13 by 2 into this is 34. So 2 ones are 2 17s are. So 13 into 17 will give you the answer. So 191. So total there are 191 dots. Is it clear, people? Yes. See the next question now. Write the formula of nth term of a GP and explain its term. How will you get the nth term of an GP? An is equals to a into r power n minus 1, where a is nothing but the first term again, an is the nth term, r is a common ratio, n is nothing but the number of terms. Okay, so this is a 2-marker question. You should write the formula and explain. See the next one. Which term of the GP? Root 2, 2, 2 root 2, 4, so on is 32. So, which term? That means n value. For what n value? I will get the answer as 32. an as 32. Okay, so for example, this is an. Okay, so an is equals to a into r power n minus 1. You know the formula now. So an is 32 equal to a is root 2. First term is root 2. R is how much? R is nothing but the ratio of these two. So R is 2 by root 2. So what is the ratio? Root 2. Okay, it is nothing but root 2. So root 2 whole power n minus 1. You don't know n. Okay, so 32 I can write it as what? 32. So if I prime factorize, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So 32 I can write as 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 2 power 5 equals to, this is 2 power 1 by 2 into 2 power 1 by 2 into n minus 1. So 2 power 5 equal to, this is like a power m into a power n. So can I write a power m plus n? Now see, as the bases are equal, okay, here it is 2, here also it is 2. You can equate the powers. So power on LHS side is 5 equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into n minus 1. You can take 1 by 2 common from these two. So here 1 is remaining and here n minus 1 is remaining. So 1 by 2 into, so plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, you will have n. So this is 5. So cross multiplying 2, so n you will get it as 10. So 10th term of the AP will be, 10th term of the AP will be 32. Sorry, GP will be 32. Clear? So with this, I just wanted to start a very small session because I know I have taken a very long gap and I wanted to restart it in a right sense. So I hope this start will give you a good positive vibe, and you will continue watching the classes, and I will also continue doing more and more classes for you. So I will try to cover the most possible important questions from all chapters. Okay, and this is what I am planning. But if there is anything from your side, any important thing which you want me to do, or any important concept which you want me to teach, definitely let me know. Okay, so I'll take a leave for today. Thank you so much for being here. Do subscribe the channel for sure, okay, because I'm going to do a lot more important videos for you. And do share it with all your friends as well, because a good number will definitely give me motivation, right? So do subscribe and do share it with everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.